Hello guys, it's Science from YouTube.com. I bought today Ratchet and Clank Future Tools of Destruction. I played it for a while and I have to say that it's really brilliant. Game is just awesome. I played it for a few hours and I have to say that graphic is brilliant, game is magnificent. It's really worth it, that 9.5 out of 10 points that IGN.com gave it. I will try to show you how it looks. I think it will be hard to controlling the tractor by one hand. Insomnia. This was the loading time, actually. I can't zoom while recording because I'm using a normal, not a video camera, but normal photo apparat. Oh, nice new armor. There are a lot of different types of weapons. I will try to use plasma beasts. I have only 4 minutes for recording, so I can't play long, but I try to show how it works. Right. Pretty nice, interesting, very. And now maybe Shock Ravager. Come on, try to kill me, bitches. Oh fuck. Alright, this is my time is going to an end. Thank you for watching. I will try to do some more videos about Ratchet and Clank. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.